chill with me while I do my hair. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. In today's video, I am going to be chatting it up a bit with y'all while I style my hair. I just finished doing my makeup and my hair is still kind of wet. I've been letting it air dry. I'm probably gonna zap it really quick with a blow dryer, but not dry it completely because I want to try out my new hair product on hair that has a little bit of wetness to it. So today I'm going to be using this. So this is a mini dual voltage travel hot airbrush. This hair product is actually perfect for traveling because of its size. It's very lightweight. Not only that, but it does come with the plug adapter for traveling, which is really easy to use and install. You just pop it right on the plug and then you're able to use it wherever you go. So this brush came with a user manual, a cleaning tool to clean hair out of the bristles of the brush, and then it also came with the travel adapter. So this is what it looks like. I got it in this gorgeous blue color, but it does come in other colors. So right here is the on and off button. You just slide it up once, which is going to give you low heat. Slide it up again for high heat, and then all the way down for off. So today it's finally sunny outside, which I'm so happy about, even though that doesn't change the temperature of the weather, but it's actually 55 degrees outside. Y'all know in my last video I was complaining so much about the cold, so I'm glad that there has been a slight change in the weather, even though I did hear that it's supposed to get colder again by the end of the month, which I'm not looking forward to, but let's just roll with it because I can't change the weather. So I'm going to go ahead and zap my hair really quick with the blow dryer, and then we're going to get started on styling my hair. So with this tool you can straighten your hair. It straightens it, smooths it, makes it frizz-free. You can also use it to fan things outward. You can also use it to add volume to your roots, and you can also use it to add like a little bit of curl or wave or just a little flip at the bottom. I have really long hair, naturally thin hair, and because of the length and the fact that I don't have any layers, it's kind of on the heavier side, even though it's really thin. So my hair probably won't do the flip or anything. If I had layers, it would. But this little tool here is capable of doing all of that. So I'll see y'all in a few seconds. Okay, so I just zapped my hair with a blow dryer and I am looking like a wild woman. I need to brush my hair out really quick, even though this tool actually does a great job at detangling hair and brushing it. But since I just went crazy with the blow dryer, my hair is wild. I also got some hair clips ready because I am going to be clipping up parts of my hair to style my hair. But I'm going to go ahead and clip the top part of my hair up first. You don't have to do this, but I always find that it makes it easier to style my hair whatever kind of tool I'm using, and I feel like it helps to get it done faster. So I clipped up the top half and I'm going to get started with my new tool. So like I said, you've got the low heat and then you've got the high. So I am going to be muting these clips because I don't want it to be too loud in the camera, but I'm also going to be doing a voiceover and telling you all about this tool. So I clip half of it up and start on the bottom, and as you can see, all I'm doing is brushing my hair. I have the setting on high heat and I'm literally just brushing through. It's smoothing it out and also making my hair super shiny. This blow dryer brush features an oval barrel, 360-degree airflow for smooth, negative, ionic, frizz-free drying, straightening, and volumizing. It has an anti-scalding top, which makes it easier to hold the product while styling. It's easy to use. It's just like brushing your hair, so anyone can do it. And it's also lightweight, which is also perfect for traveling. The negative ion design and ceramic coating saturates the airflow, which can increase the moisture of your hair, which helps to condition and smooth your hair while making it shinier, and it reduces frizz and static. Now that I'm done with the bottom half, I'm going to go ahead and start on the top half, and I like to start on the side, so I'll begin on one side while clipping the rest of my hair out of the way, and again just brushing through, but also concentrating on using the brush at the roots for some extra volume, and then I'll continue to do this until I reach the very top. For the top, I like to start at the back of my crown, again concentrating on the roots for volume, and then I'll do the next layer forward and continue to do that until I get to my bangs, which I'll do separately. And then last but not least, I'm going to do my bangs, which really need trimmed so bad, by the way. I actually tried to do it the other day myself and it did not turn out that great, but it is what it is. So this is the end result. I love the way it makes my bangs kind of swoop out. That little touch of Farrah Fawcett. It did give me some nice natural volume at the top without having to tease my hair, so I like that. My hair feels super soft and smooth. I love the way it turned out. I'm gonna give you a full view so you can see the back and just the length of it. Look how shiny my hair looks. It looks shiny and healthy and feels thicker and has more body to it. And this is the result. Perfectly straightened, smooth hair that isn't flat and still has volume and movement. I am in love with this brush. It was quick and easy to use, and I think my hair turned out great. So I don't know what all we are doing today. I don't really have any plans. I did my grocery shopping yesterday, which I will be sharing in a video soon. But I'm gonna pop me some earrings on. I already have my outfit of the day on. I just need to grab some socks and figure out what shoes I'm wearing. And I probably need to put some lipstick on because I have a little bit of leftover foundation on my lips. Look how cute my hair looks though. The little bangs are just like... Also, I did my own nails yesterday. They don't look perfect and I'm not gonna show you an up close, but I did like white tips. But anyways, thanks so much for spending time with me. Thank you for taking time out of your day to chill with me while I fix my hair. Again, don't forget to check out this product. It's actually awesome. I was actually able to do my hair way faster than usual. It blow dried it for me, it brushed it, and as you can see, styled it. And also it smoothed it out so nicely and straightened it without it being like straight, if you know what I'm saying. It gave my hair more body and more volume, so I love that. If you like this video, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button and leave me some comments down below because as always, I would love to hear from you. And tell me what you think about my hair. I think it turned out pretty nice. All right, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.